CSE 478C Software Engineering Capstone Group Project Update. Our group is working on the Elemental War project, and I feel it is going along very well, and that we will have a finished product by May the 1st. My role is kind of a mixed role, although I am listed as the development tool specialist, but I've done some diagramming, I've done some coding, I've done some GUI work for our game. So I've kind of done a split role in this work. I've done some coding. Again, I've done some graphs. Done some research on how card games are usually done on the iPhone. I feel like I fit this role pretty well. Again, I've had experience with games. I'm currently taking the iPhone class here at UIS. And whether I would consider this a role such as this as a future career, yes, I definitely would. Again, I like doing game design. It's fun for me. And I've learned quite a bit doing this, and I've been able to go through this pretty well. As far as what I like and dislike about the group project, I like this kind of a challenging card game that we have some different ideas put into there, as I like games myself. I've learned quite a bit. I've learned about making graphs. I've learned about doing UML diagrams. I've learned about using Xcode, Objective-C, and putting together a project from that. I've learned about sharing code with others on GitHub. I've learned about using Basecamp, and I've just learned about what goes into a team effort group project from this experience so far. I think our project idea and scope is pretty good. If I was the manager, it would be mostly the same. I mean, I might change some specifics about the potency of the various variables that we've used, but overall, I'm fairly happy about the general project idea. I mean, like adding in the elements was one of my ideas, so I'm glad that is being implemented. As far as any other project I might have chosen, I could have chosen an action, platforming game or an RPG game, but personally, and I might have chosen something other than the iPhone because I didn't have any experience with that coming into this class, but I think it's worked pretty well for me. At the rate our group is going through this project, I think it'll be ready for production by the end of the semester. We're running through tests as we go here. The requirements documentation that I've seen has been progressing pretty well. We've got charts and graphs. We've got comments on the code. I think in general it's going pretty solidly, and I believe that we will be finished by the deadline. I'd say all the basic coding is completed on our project so far, so I'm pretty happy with the way that's going. The one thing I haven't really gotten through yet is the animations itself. It's just strategically placing. So far, strategically placing the cards where they belong is the part that I've gotten through. We'll need to put in animations and sounds still, but I've been reading up on that. I just haven't implemented that as we speak so far. The UML diagrams, I could send you a copy of those if need be. And overall, I think we're in good shape. It's been pretty fun to try a different type of project than what I've usually done, and the team members are great, and I'm about ready to go. So thank you for your time.